here in that waterfall.
Alright guys, we are going to a little waterfall. Get something out of this rain. We'll just poke down this gravel road with it being... Yeah. We can, or the gravel, depends which one you want to do. Now that was the trail we were going to go on earlier. Yeah, we would have came up out of would have came out like that. It would have probably been a little more steep though. Yeah, we can come back this way and hit a trail back down, depends on the time frame, or hit a gravel. In case someone is... Matthew has his on. Just in case someone's riding around that corner. What? I guess so. So I'm looking at. I gotta look, stop and look. I mean, we hit the next intersection, we take a left, and it's down that road, and that's the road we're go down. And it should be like right off the highway, I think. Or not the highway, the road, the gravel road. At least that's what I marked. The trail, man, it would have. I mean, there's probably I don't know. I can't remember if there were other spots without looking. Who? My brakes? I haven't touched. I only touched them once, I think. I'm not touching it right now. Yeah, we'll go down this. Yeah, it should be on down this 1 mile or two. Yeah, you'll stick through it. He he's like, I'm here. You might as well do it, right? Me too. I'm like, I'm here. Might as well get a little bit of riding out of it. Yeah. It's like I came here to ride, and I know it's going to rain. Yeah. Yeah. Whee! Looks like a good trail. And ride not even the same trail twice, almost in most parts. Because you can spend just like time going to this point. This is your goal today, then this is your goal the next day. It's just, like I'm off every other week. It's just you're conflicting of a schedule. If yeah. Mm-hmm. Might just go down this one, see if that, because the creek's like the waterfall's right on the other side. It might be a trail down to it, or there's the waterfall right there. Walk down to it. What's up, guys? We're out here at a waterfall over here, unnamed. If you want to figure out, you got to find it, but it's a beautiful little waterfall right off the gravel road right here. Walk over here, see if we can get a better view. But yeah, it's absolutely rolling, and it looks absolutely magnificent. It's a pretty little waterfall if you just want to check it out and look at it. But I mean, it's very easy, accessible. You can get with your ATV right up to the waterfall, and you just got to give it a little hike down right here if you want to get even closer. Thank you for watching so far. If you liked the video, leave a like and subscribe down below. And if you want to get a comment, just go ahead and leave a comment, ask a question, I'll answer it. Just keep it up. Share it to any of your friends you want to share it to. And if you like this area, just tune in more and follow. I'll try to drop some more videos of this area that we're riding this weekend. Thank you for watching. Have a good